Before you scroll away, listen to this. There is a very specific reason why some complete beginners make money on Fiverr within days, while most people quit without getting a single order. And no, it's not because they're more talented. It's because they follow a smarter system. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact beginner roadmap to realistically reach your first $2,000 on Fiverr using AI and simple micro skills. No coding, no expensive courses, no years of experience. But you do need to pay attention because one small mistake in the beginning can completely kill your Fiverr growth. Let's start. First, understand this clearly. Fiverr in 2026 is not about who works the hardest. It's about who works the smartest with AI. Most beginners fail before they even start because they choose the wrong niche. So step one is choosing high-demand, low-complexity services. Right now, some of the best beginner-friendly micro skills include AI image generation, YouTube thumbnail design, basic video editing, data entry, AI website creation, and background removal. These services are powerful because AI can do most of the heavy lifting for you. If you are starting from zero, this is your unfair advantage. Now step two, and this is where speed comes in. You need your free AI tool stack ready. Use ChatGPT to write your gig titles and client responses. Use Leonardo or Ideogram for AI images. Use CapCut for simple video edits. Use Canva for thumbnails and graphics. And use Durable AI to instantly build basic websites for clients. When set up correctly, these tools can handle up to 80% of the actual work, which means you can move faster than most sellers on Fiverr. Now step three, and honestly, this is where the real game begins. Your Fiverr gig must look like money before it makes money. Because on Fiverr, buyers judge in seconds. Use this simple title formula. I will plus the result plus the target audience. For example, I will create viral AI-generated images for your brand. For your thumbnail, use bold, readable text, strong contrast, and if possible, a clear before and after visual. Remember this line, your gig thumbnail does not need to be beautiful. It needs to stop the scroll. Now step four, pricing strategy. Most beginners make the mistake of pricing too high, too early. In the beginning, your mission is not profit. Your mission is momentum. Start your basic package between $5 and $10. Your standard